guys, what's up? It's your girl Ebony Lux and I'm back with another video. If you're new here, I'm a beauty, fashion, and lifestyle content creator, and I would love for you to join me on this journey by simply clicking that subscribe button below. Join the squad. We be winging shit over here. We just want to see where life takes us. But in today's video, we're going to be talking about what not to do as a YouTube content creator. Because as someone who's been doing this for over 3 years now, I ain't been that consistent, but I'm 2023, I'm coming at it. Okay, I'm coming at it. But anyway, as somebody who's been doing this for over 3 years now, I think I kind of know a lot of the things what not to do. So if that's something you're interested in, keep it locked. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, grab you a glass of wine, and let's get right into it. Okay, so now that you done got comfortable, you got your little drink, go ahead and get your little snack, Tiffany, little snack, get cozy, get comfortable, because I'm dropping knowledge, okay? I'm dropping jewels on you. But the first thing I want to do is congratulations, girl. Congratulations on starting your YouTube channel. Anybody I meet, I always tell them, if you have something you're doing, or you know, if you got anything going on, if you're a mom, if you're a dad, if you just there's so many things that you can look up on YouTube, because YouTube is the #1 search engine right now. So there's so many things you can look up how to do. I tell everybody, why not make a video on it? My boyfriend, he playing the game right now, and I've been telling him for years, you need a gaming channel, but that's neither here nor there. We here for you. We talking about you right now because you are taking the next step, and baby, I'm here to, you know, cut you some time out of that, okay? Okay, so the first thing you want to do is do not rush your content. People can sometimes tell that your content is rushed and they just will click away. They'll go to the next video. Make sure you're planning out your content. Make sure you're planning out what you want your channel to look like. Write a script if you have to. As you can see here, for this video, I have a script written. I wrote down my talking points. I wrote down what I want to talk about. I made it look nice. I gave it a header and everything so that I know where I'm at, so I'm not talking too much, so I'm not losing track of time, so my video is not crazy long. You know, just plan out your ideas. So if you have a topic on how to wash your dog, just write it out, give yourself step-by-step instructions, and that way the structure of your videos can flow nice and smoothly. All right, let's get straight into number 2. Number 2 is, simply put, don't expect to go viral. Everybody does not go viral. For some people, that's the case. They go viral, they take off, and boom, they just on a high from there. But for some people, you just can't expect that. Just realistically, you have to want to put in the work. You have to be dedicated. You have to be consistent in order to grow on this platform. And that's simply put. I mean, if you do go viral, kudos to you. I'm wishing you the best. I hope one of my little videos go viral. Well, not one, all my videos. I hope all my videos go viral, and you know, I'm just the luckiest, prettiest girl in the world. But I'm not holding on to that. Every video I make it because I like it, because I enjoyed it, because it's something that I enjoy, or it's a topic that I think other people should know about, or something that I know how to do that I want to teach other girls how to do. So, like I said, just make sure you're putting out quality content for your viewers. Make sure your lighting is good. Make sure you're using a decent camera, and put some work in. Get on YouTube, look up how to edit your videos, and how to, if you're the type of girl that likes to put, like, you know, jump out graphics, or you want to zoom in, or you want to wiggle the screen, or whatever the case may be, look that up on YouTube and learn how to do it and implement that into your videos. All right, number 3. Number 3 is pretty easy. All you need to do is engage with your audience. So every time you get a comment, write them back. Anytime somebody asks you in your comments, oh, how did you do that? Or how did you do this? Or where'd you get that from, girl? Ooh, that lip gloss is cute. Make sure you're commenting back. If you are able to go live, engage with your audience. Sometimes you can try it out on your channel to see how it works for you, but set a premiere. See how many people are looking to come to your channel for premieres. Things like that. You can drop little things in your video like, you know, you don't necessarily have to do giveaways, especially when you're a new YouTuber, but if you were someone who had maybe 20 to 25K subscribers, you can do stuff like giveaways in your channel. That way that gets people, you know, more engaged, and you can tell them, hey, comment a pink emoji and you'll be selected for the giveaway, or just anything like that. Also let your viewers know in your video. If you have any questions, ask me. It's so easy, ask me. And being a small YouTuber, you're able to engage with more of your viewers, because, you know, if you had 1 million subscribers and let's say you got 500,000 of those people commenting, just realistically you cannot respond to everybody. But in the beginning, as a coming in girl, try to respond to every single comment. Let them know you appreciate every single like. Let them know you appreciate every single subscriber. Just really try to engage with your audience. All right, coming in at number 4, and I feel like it's common sense, but sometimes common sense ain't really that common. So, do not steal nobody else's work. Like, as a content creator, we put a lot of hard work into our videos, and I'll be damned, baby. I'll be damned if you come and take my stuff and, you know, let's say you take my video and your video go viral. Baby, I'll be damned. I'm flagging it. And I'm telling everybody I know, flag it. Cause what? That is just, it's just rude. It's just disrespectful. If you like somebody's content and you want to recreate it for yourself, that's totally different. That is totally different. But like, I'm talking about like somebody, like say somebody who does like the little, I guess like the little common videos where they just kind of do like a vlog over their day, showing how they make their little coffee or driving, or just those like common things, or an ASMR type of vibe, and somebody just take your whole video and your video might got 10 views and then their video get 1 million views. You're gonna be like, oh hell no. Oh hell no. So just don't do that. If you like the content, recreate it for yourself. Don't take anybody else's stuff. That's just, it's tacky. It's tacky. We not even coming like that. No, absolutely not. All right, you guys. So this is the last one, number 5, and that is, do not get discouraged. Please do not get discouraged, girl. When you're in the beginning, you have to realize YouTube is a huge world. You need to think of it as a whole new world that you're stepping into. You don't know any of these people. None of these people know you. And you kind of just going out there, meeting and greeting. Hey y'all, trying to get in where you fit in. So in the beginning, things might look a little slow. They might feel a little slow, but I'm telling you, push through that. It's going to pay off, and when it does pay off, it's so worth it. Like, I didn't have a huge social media following from any other social platform, and I came to YouTube and they all just tripled over here. Baby, I got my 1,000 out the mud, blood, sweat, and yeah, 3 years. 3 years, I told y'all I've been at this. Now, I will keep it a buck. I have not been the most consistent creator on this app. So I can only fault myself for those things. But when I am consistent and I'm on it, I see the growth. I see everything happening before my eyes, and it literally blows my mind. And so I'm closing out the end of this year with over 10K. By 2024, we is looking at over 10K subscribers on this app. And baby, I'm trying to go hard in the paint, trying to go hard in the motherfucking paint, okay? So like I said, If you're supporting me, I really, really appreciate it. Please hit that subscribe button. Because like I said, I can see my analytics. And a lot of y'all ain't even subscribed. Y'all just be watching my stuff. Like, I just be dropping jewels. Y'all just be picking them up. And you ain't even subscribed. Is that a fair trade? Is that even trade? Did I miss something? Did I miss the memo, baby? Click the button. Click the button. Okay, please. And thank you. So yeah, those are my 5 tips that I would give any new YouTube content creator on what not to do. So listen, I can only take the horse to the water. I can't make the horse drink. And then what they say, what the old folks say, wait. Stay right there. Girl, I almost forgot. I got an extra jewel I want to drop on you. How you feel about that? I got one extra tip that I want to drop on you, and I honestly think it's the most important one. This is one that I had to learn it the hard way, okay? So take heed from my mistakes, okay? Don't be like me, okay? Listen, this is very important. Very, very important. This is the last tip I want to give y'all, and then we're going to get up out of here because I want to see y'all in action, okay? Drop me some comments. Let me know you starting your channel. Let me know if this video helped you in any way, and hit that subscribe button. Stop playing with me. Okay, here go the last tip. The last tip is, please, sweetheart, please, okay, love bug, do not buy any of those ebooks or subscriptions or classes, none of that type of stuff to help you grow your YouTube channel. When I tell you it's a waste of money, no shade to the girls who got the ebooks and the classes and the subscriptions. No shade to them. Do your thing. Get your money how you get your money, honey. What I'm saying to my girls is, the game I'm giving my girls is, don't pay for that shit. I mean, unless you just want to see, you know, hard hit, make soft ass, baby. Don't do it. But how genuinely, and leave me, please answer me in the comments. How many people have you gotten on YouTube and you watch their channel and they be like, yeah, I took so-and-so's class and their class helped me get my YouTube channel to my first 1,000 subscribers or 10,000 subscribers or whatever amount of subscribers. Tag the video below. Show me, please show me, because I have not seen one. I've seen the people who are pitching you to purchase these classes. They're always on their channel like, yeah, I've got 100 people to sign up and I got 100 people's YouTube channels booming, da 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 da. What they at though? It's giving, gotcha. It's giving Miss Cleo calling me now. It's giving duck ass. But anyway, that's the last tip that I want to give you guys. So that's really what, 6 tips I just gave you guys. Honey, valuable information, okay? I'm just trying to give girls game. Like I said, on my channel, I will never charge for any type of tips or tricks on how to grow on this here platform, because nobody, when I tell you, like, I've spent the money. I spent the money trying to learn, and the most information I learned from was on this app for the free ski. So like I said, I'm never gonna charge my girls. If I done figured out the juice, if I done figured out the sauce, if I done solved the problem, I'm gonna just let y'all know. And if you have a question that I'm not answering, please ask. I'm an open book. I don't give a fuck. I'm gonna let y'all know, because I think it's enough room for everybody to eat. Nobody is the same. People are similar, yes, but nobody is the same, and people are gonna like you for whatever reason they like you for. They might like you cause hell, you pigeon-toed and you got 4 fingers. I don't fucking know. But they'll like you for whatever they like you for. Just get on here and be yourself. Be you. Be true to you. Boo-hoo. And I feel like, you know, that'll just take you off. So, like I've been saying, if you enjoyed yourself, if you stayed all the way to the end of this video, I ain't even gonna say it no more. I know you done hit subscribe. If you done made it all the way to the end of the video, you done subscribe. So I ain't even gonna say it no more. So I'll see you guys in the next one. If you have any suggestions, if you have any videos you would like to see from me, let me know. Make sure you like this video. Check me out on TikTok. I be on TikTok, y'all. Same name, Ebony Lux. So check me out over there and let me know what you do. I will see you guys in the next one.